Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, in this question we need to discuss about the most efficient way to determine the amount of GPP that is produced by the hypothetical cloud algae, as well as we need to discuss about the cloud algae that have a positive or negative impact on the terrestrial and marine environment, as well as we need to discuss about the conclusion. So, sampling net primary productivity that is necessary before estimating the amount of GPP that these fictitious cloud algae produce. So this might be accomplished by gathering samples of algae containing the cloud water, evaluating the rate of photosynthesis and measuring the rate of respiration in a controlled laboratory environment. So we can calculate the cloud's algae NPP by monitoring the rate of photosynthesis and respiration. So impact on the surface biomass forecast, the effect of this fictitious cloud algae on the productivity of terrestrial and marine surface level biomass. It would depend on the number of variables that include the quantity of sunlight they receive, nutrients that they use, and the likelihood that the biomass will be carried to the surface. So there is the positive effect, that is the cloud algae may be benefit by the surface level biomass, that is provided they only absorb a tiny portion of sunlight and do not considerably restrict the amount of light that is reaching the surface. This is due to the fact that they would be trapping the atmospheric carbon dioxide, which could subsequently to transport to the surface and possibly boost up the productivity of the terrestrial and marine ecosystem. And the effect of this fictitious cloud algae on the productivity, that would be having the only positive effect. Now, so the balance between the potential positive impacts and the negative impacts would determine how the hypothetical cloud algae would affect the productivity of surface level biomes. So the overall impact of these cloud algae on terrestrial and marine ecosystem would require more investigation and modeling. I hope you understand this answer. Thank you so much.